actually April 1st, so happy Fool's Day. Yeah, I just got up. I'm about to start moving for my first Zoom online ballet class of the day, so yeah. So today for breakfast I decided to experiment with a gluten-free pancake recipe I had been working on. I've since uploaded a finalized video with the final recipe, which you can check out the little card above. They're really filling even though they're low calorie and don't have any gluten in them, and I just really enjoy eating these even in between classes. Oh no! So I just finished breakfast and now I'm just gonna stretch a little because I have my second class of the day in like an hour, so I'm just gonna chill around a little. So as you know, I love my acupressure mat, so I'm gonna lay on this for a little bit because it energizes you a little bit and I kind of need it for the second class. I lit a candle for this little shelf thing. So I just set up for my second class and now I'm gonna head into that. Putting foot shoes on. Hey guys, so I just finished class and I changed into normal people clothes finally. Now I'm just gonna chill and rest for the rest of the night. So thanks so much for coming along with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos, and I will see you guys next time.